Gliding across the pond looks relaxing enough, right? How about paddling with your pooch?
You guys having fun?
Yeah.
You can even double up on a board, but 2 on a board is more challenging. It's about to be man down. Make that 2 down.
You ready to go?
Yeah, I'm ready to get out there on the lake. It's gonna be awesome.
We're going out on these. Hala Gear boards are inflatable paddleboards designed in Steamboat Springs.
The awesome thing about an inflatable stand-up paddleboard is that you can take it anywhere. You know, with hard boards, you can't collapse them.
With names like Hala Atcha, even the Hala board names are cool. The paddle is unique. It's a regular handle on one side, but a blade with a handle on the other side. It's called the butter knife paddle.
So let's say you're paddling along, do-do-do-do-do, and then if you want to kind of get down on your knees, or we also do have an attachable kayak seat that you can put on here. You can go from stand-up paddleboard to actually kayaking.
You're gonna give me a little yoga on the board?
Little yoga lesson. We'll see if who falls in first.
Oh boy, time for me to find my balance on the board. Nikki makes getting into Warrior 2 pose look easy.
That looks really good. Getting your zen on?
Yeah.
Next, she tries a back bend, otherwise known as wheel pose, and then a headstand. Okay, so Nikki isn't exactly a yoga or paddleboard novice.
How's it going, first timer?
This is awesome.
It only takes a few minutes and Daryl is paddling away.
Looking good.
Even the guys get their zen on while trying downward facing dog.
Nice plank. There you go.
As Nikki practices her crow pose,
Your turn.
I'll try downward facing dog.
High plank? Little low plank?
Nikki takes it up a notch, practicing her inversions.
That looked really hard.
And I will not be trying that. But I will try Warrior 2. Little wobbly at first, then got it.
How does it feel?
This is hard,
It's a lot harder than doing yoga on the floor.
but I love it.
Moving.
I love it. It's the whole body's going.
It's definitely a whole body balancing act. From yoga to paddling like I would kayaking to just paddling away, it's easy to find Namaste moments on the pond.